Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text bigger on your screen when you're using your PlayStation 5 Pro and make it a little bit easier to see. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to Settings and then go to Accessibility. Then at the top, we have Display and Sound. We can go to Invert Colors. Here's an option. We got color corrections for any kind of color filters we want to go ahead and add. Then we got the text size. So we got large, very large, or small. So maybe you're playing on a TV and you're sitting very far away. Well, you can increase the text size here. I have on this option right here, bold text. This makes it a lot easier for me just to read, or everything is so small. So I turn that on, and then we got high contrast. Now, in the past, I did like high contrast on. So this adjusts the colors of text and backgrounds to improve the clarity of things on the screen. This works only with some features, so it might not work in the game. And then we should be good to go. So just look at those three options right there. Very least, I think bold text helps a lot just to read everything just a little bit easier. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.